Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually add an image background on your Squarespace website. So this video is going to go ahead and help you guys out and show you guys on how you guys can actually add an image background. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the video. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is be on the Squarespace website editor, and from the editor, you're going to want to go ahead and click design right here on the left hand of your screen. So click on design, and from here, you can go ahead and double click on the section you want to edit. Now basically you can go ahead and edit the section and add an image background by go ahead and clicking the pencil with the edit section icon right here. So go ahead and click that, and then from here you're going to want to go ahead and click on background. Now background right here, it does give you art that you can go ahead and add, so you guys can see that it is actually animated. I'm not sure if you could go ahead and see that, but it's actually moving right here. So let's go ahead and change it. You guys can see it's actually moving. Now if you don't want this art, you can go ahead and add a video. Now if you don't like videos, you can go ahead and add an image. So right here we're going to go ahead and add an image background to our website, and we're going to go ahead and upload a file. Now here I do have a couple of pictures here, so we're going to go ahead and add Tom here, and basically we're going to go ahead and wait for it to upload, and you guys can see that it actually shows up on our website now. So basically, you know, maybe you want to go ahead and change the opacity. Maybe it's a little too light. You know, just go ahead and change it right here at the bottom, and you can go ahead and make it really light or just really heavy. So just pretty much change it to your preference, and that's pretty much how you go ahead and add an image background for your website. So hopefully you guys found this video extremely helpful. Make sure you guys, if you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your feedback, because your feedback really is important to the channel, guys. It helps you know, improve production and stuff. But with that being said, I'll see you guys for the next video.